Today I have a 2011 Ford Explorer with the defective backup camera, and sometimes the backup camera is very blurry, and flipping the sides, one side to the other and the other side to the another side. Let me show you what the problem is. The problem is the backup camera. Today I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna replace the backup camera and see if it solves the problem. Okay, we have some bolts over here to remove, 4 over here. Let me remove from, I start this one. One out, the other. And this one. These bolts are 10 millimeters. Good, we got 4 bolts out. We're gonna store them somewhere. And it has 2 11 millimeter nuts, one on this side, one on the other side. Let's remove them. Good. Wanna go to the other side. Good. Now you can see that this part is loose. We're gonna take it off with a plastic thing like this. We're gonna just ply it to take it off. Okay. And this side, this one is out, and this one is out as well. And now you can just flip this over, and the camera is over here. So we need to open this bolt to be able to take off the camera. Okay, I have this kind of screwdriver. It's star shaped. Let me remove this little bolt. I think I can do it by hand now. Yes. Okay, this plastic piece should come off. Okay, let me take this piece off. I think we can apply it a little bit and push it back or aside. And now we can take off the camera. So the camera should be able to come off right now. So before that, let me remove this wire, and the camera is gonna be free. And this is the backup camera. Let me put a new one and see how it works. I bought a new backup camera for this model from Amazon. That is looking the same like the old one. Let me put it in. Okay, the new camera right here. So before I put it in, I'm gonna plug the wire. I think that's easier that way. And now I'm gonna just push the camera. You can guide it here with your finger. Okay, that's good. And now we're gonna put the plastic piece in. It goes like this. Okay, this is gonna go under. All right, it's good. And put this little bolt in, and we're gonna tighten it. Nice. And everything looks good. So I'm gonna put this over here, and I'm gonna check it out and test it if it is working as intended. All right, I put the new camera in, and let me test it. So I'm not gonna turn on the vehicle, just on the switch on mode. Let's put it in the backup camera, and it is working very good as intended. So I have that car on my left side and that car on my right side. It is good and it is very clear as well. Thank you so much. Okay, now we're gonna put this nut in and tighten it out. Make sure it is nice and tight. That's good. And the other side that I have over here. Okay. It's nice and tight. Let's do these 4 over here. I think these are 10 millimeters, so I have to swap the range or whatever. All right. All good. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and leave me your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.